Image editing is getting easier than ever. Soon, you might not need any Photoshop skills to edit your photos. Today, I'm going to show you Google's new Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental in Google AI Studio. I've tested out and pulled together a lot of use cases so that you can see what actually works and what doesn't. And hey, if you're excited about potentially not needing Photoshop for half your edits, go ahead and smash that like button right now. Alright, let's get straight into it. So to access this tool, head over to aistudio.google.com or just click the link in the description down below. Once you're here, you'll need to agree to a few terms of service and log into your Google account. Now, for the important part, on the right-hand side, make sure you select the model, Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Generation Experimental, and also select images in text for the output format. So the good thing here is that you can make up to 1,500 requests per day, and for now, it's completely free to use. Here you will also see a temperature setting, so you don't have to worry about that for now. It just controls how creative this AI gets. 0 means it sticks closely to your prompts, and 2 gives it more freedom. So now I will keep mine at 1. Let's start by generating something from scratch. Here I type, create an illustration of a cute hedgehog having a tea party. Now I click run. Here you can see the time it spent, and as you can see, it's a pretty cute little hedgehog here. And now you can actually edit further by just giving a follow-up prompt. Now I'm saying, make the hedgehog wear a tiny bow tie and round glasses. Let's try this. And now our hedgehog has some style. And what if I want to enhance further? I'm gonna type, add a squirrel and bunny sitting with a hedgehog, also having a tea. Okay, let's see. And just like that, the scene updates with new characters. It's super cute. Now, if you want to edit something else that's not related to this series, then you should always click Create Prompt to create something new. And you can also upload your own photos to edit. To do this, simply click this plus button here and upload a file. So you can either upload from your drive or your computer. So let's say I have this vacation photo over here, and there are some strangers in the background that I want to remove. And all you want to do is just type remove the photo bombers or people in the background, and then you will see the generated result. So yeah, it technically removes the people, as you can see, but the quality takes a big hit. As you can see, my face became kind of weird, right? Compared to the original photo. So when you're trying to remove background like objects or people, I noticed that it really didn't work well at all. Even with just one edit, I noticed the image starts to get blurry or you have some weird artifacts show up. So honestly, it's pretty disappointing, and at this point, it's not something I'd rely on for real use. And that's why it's still labeled as experimental, as you can see. This is experimental model, and it's only for feedback and testing only. Of course, you can also try enhancing it by typing something like, make the sky more blue with clouds, right? And it's the same, like it made the sky blue with clouds all look good, but my face just looked. So yeah, it's definitely not something I would use. Now, this next part actually works fairly well. If you're using LinkedIn or maybe setting up a website or a resume, you need a professional photo, but not everyone has the time or budget for a full photo shoot. So here, as you can see, I've uploaded a casual selfie, and I type replace her background to a clean gray gradient and change her clothes to gray suits. Now look at that. You can go from casual to professional in just seconds. Now let me show you another example. Here's a photo I took in a studio, but let's just say I didn't like my outfit. So I can simply type change her clothes to anything you want. In this case, I tried a Barbie's pink suit just for fun, and I think the details look quite good, and you can change again. So I did change to gray suits again, and I think this looks really good. But as you can see, the face started to look a bit distorted. So just keep in mind that the more times you edit, the more the quality is gonna go down. But this is a super easy way to try different professional outfits without having to actually change clothes. Next, I want to show you how you can use this for virtual fashion try-on, which I think is the most impressive part in Gemini 2.0 when it works. So the idea is you upload a photo of a model, ideally a full body shot, like this, and also an outfit, right? This is something I found on Pinterest. And now you can give a prompt like, make this woman wear this outfit. But I've noticed that it works best when you actually describe the outfit, like this. So after a couple of tries, the result looked pretty decent. As you can see, the outfit actually matches what I gave, including the bag and the sandals. But if you zoom in, you can see the face is really not, like the quality of the photo is still not really good. Here's another one. I uploaded an image of a model and I wanted her to wear this outfit over here. So I did the same, right? Make this female model wear this sweater and jeans outfit with beige shoes and golden earrings. So I actually described the outfit. And with this prompt, you can see that the output looked pretty realistic, especially the shoes. It really matches what I gave. And then I tried one more with the summer outfit. Again, I described the outfit. And the first time it didn't include the denim jacket, but once I prompted again, it just showed up. So yeah, you might have to go back and forth a little bit. Overall, I would say this feature is pretty fun, and you can try different outfit ideas across different looks. But just like with some of the other edits, the image quality would drop quickly, as you can see. So I wouldn't use this for anything polished. It's more of a concept preview at this point. So next up is style transfer. I've uploaded a portrait inspired by the girl with a pearl earring. And here I'll type, convert this portrait into impressionism. And look at that. I think this looks really good with the details and all. Now I've tried different ones such as detailed pencil sketch. I also like this a lot. And one more, I said watercolor, and this time change her scarf to a green color, and this is what it turned out. So I think style transfer works really well in Google Gemini. So next I want to show you if you need product mockups, maybe you're an e-commerce owner, or you just simply need some mockups, you can do that here too. So here I've uploaded two images, one of a model in a plain white t-shirt, and another is a logo or like a graphic design that I did in ideogram. Now I simply type this prompt to place this design in the center of the t-shirt and change the shirt color, and this is the result. So I think the lighting may not be perfect, right? Like this still looks not so real, but it's good enough for a quick mockup. And here's another one with a tumbler. I just said place its design on this tumbler, and look at this. So here the text is actually wrong, like it became weirdo, but apart from that, the overall look is pretty solid. So compared to the background edits earlier, I think this feature holds up a lot better. You can use this tool for interior design visualization too. So I uploaded a photo of a bedroom and I typed add some bohemian elements and natural plants. And here's what it did. As you can see, the elements fit pretty naturally, right? And if you want to change it up again, here I said remove these elements and put some black and white chic posters like Audrey Hepburn. And it did pretty well again. So you can instantly change the vibe of your room. Alright, now here's the last one, and this one honestly feels kind of magical. So I uploaded this old like black and white or like vintage style photo from a Japanese family. It's super elegant and I really love, you know, their traditional clothing. So this one I actually generated with Midjourney. And if you want to colorize, all you need to do is just to type this, colorize this image using natural colors, right? And this is what it did. So I think the colors may be a bit too vibrant for my taste, but still, it did a solid job bringing it to life. And then what I did was simply just to remove the background and replace by some white sakura trees. And now look at this. It looks really cute and sweet. So it's a really simple way if you want to refresh all photos, if you want to quickly colorize it. Of course, we might need to wait until the production quality is improved before we can actually print these out. And next up, let's check out the visual story feature. So click on this, and by default, it will load the story about a baby goat on an adventure. So you can just let it run. But if you want to change it up, then you can swap that out with your own prompt. So that's exactly what I did. You just have to clear this and then type your prompt here. So my story is about Carlos the capybara, and this prompt I simply generated with Claude, or you can use ChatGPT or anything, and it just quickly gave me the story. So I quickly read through it, and I think this is super cute. The first one, he's trying to solve a water shortage problem. The second one, he's helping some farm animals work together to build a shelter. That's the one. And he will mediate a dispute between ducks and chickens. Look at this. And organize a farm harvest celebration. That's super cute. And at the end, he relaxed with his animal friends at sunset. Happy ending. So this could be a great way to create children's stories, educational content, or I've seen also someone create like step-by-step recipes using this feature here. And you don't even need to draw a single thing. You just need a simple prompt like this. So just quick heads up, like I said, the quality of these images are not there yet. And you have this watermark over here. So if you really want to use this, you might need to upscale your final image for it to become really usable. Now, I know everyone's talking about GPT-4o right now. Now, it does image generation too, and the quality is honestly next level. But the only thing is, image generation is still pretty limited if you're using the free version of ChatGPT. And Gemini 2.0 gives you way more flexibility. You can request 1,500 images a day. So if you're just testing things out, or you want to visualize some concepts, I think it's still a great tool to explore right now. Alright guys, that's all for today. If you're excited to try this tool, give me a thumbs up so others can find it too. Comment down below to let me know which feature surprised you the most. And of course, subscribe for more AI and digital tricks that will make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!